5 mistakes to avoid after a motorcycle accident. Now, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration claims that motorcycle accidents are 5 times more deadly than accidents in enclosed vehicles, and motorcycle riders are over 25 times more likely to be injured in an accident. So, after a motorcycle accident, the first mistake people commonly make is assuming they're not injured. The first instinct is to what? Get up back on your bike and go ride. But the problem is you've got adrenaline pumping. You may think you're fine, but you're going to realize hours later that something's not quite right and you're hurting. So go get checked out, even if you think your injuries are minor. The second mistake people make is failing to get a police report. The police report's got a lot of good information on it. It talks about who the people were involved in the accident. It may have witness reports, insurance information. So if you need to make a claim later on, the police report's going to be very important. The third mistake is admitting fault right away. You might think you've got the whole picture even through your helmet, but you may not. So it's a really good idea to wait until you've got all the information from all the parties and make a decision at that time. If you admit fault right away, that's probably going to be not very helpful for you later down the line if you find out you were in fact wrong. So the fourth mistake is not gathering evidence. If there's injuries and damages, you're going to want to get pictures of the other person's driver's license, registration, insurance. You're going to want to get pictures of the accident scene, the vehicles, including your motorcycle, any injuries. And this is all to preserve evidence should you need to bring a claim later on. And the fifth mistake is not keeping your motorcycle. If in fact you do need to make a claim later, having your motorcycle with you to show the actual damage is going to be very helpful in pursuing your claim later on should you need to make one. So if you've got questions, it's probably best to talk to a good PI lawyer in your jurisdiction. If you happen to be in Nevada where I practice law, feel free to give me a call or drop me an email.